for you. She looks sleepy. What's that? What do you think? What do you think? Is that good? What is that? Yeah, you got that all over your face pretty quickly, didn't you?
Her technique is instinctive. She's just like, I will stick this all over my face. Yeah, you will, won't you? Yeah, you will. This is new stuff, isn't it? What do you think? Is this interesting?
Are you actually swallowing it?
It's hard to tell. She's sticking it in her mouth with her hands.
What do you think?
Is it good, little girl?
More?
Has she swallowed any, or is she just spread it uniformly around her face?
It's a good question. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Rice cereal. I think she's swallowing it. Maybe.
This has been Elizabeth's first tasting of rice cereal. Pre-moistened with breast milk, of course.